Hello my hair warriors, it's me Aaron O'Brien, your friendly neighbourhood hairdresser. This video is sponsored by my friends at Lordhair.com. Today, what are we doing today? We have many questions that people ask about hair systems on Google, and we are going to answer the top questions. Come with me now and I'll give you all the answers. One of the disadvantages that I think come with a hair system, and I really don't think there's any because I'm so in love with them, is if you have an allergy to adhesive. But there's always a way around it to find different adhesives and what works best for you. And if adhesive doesn't work, you can always use a clip-in hair system that you can put on and take off. The other disadvantage, I suppose, would some people aren't great with maintenance, but that all comes with time and it's so easy and becomes so quick. So really, I don't think there's, in my mind, any disadvantages, but some people might think differently. The most undetectable hair system is the ultra thin skin, the UTS system. It's really, really thin, but the ultra thin skin, phenomenal. You won't even know you're wearing it. The lifespan of a hair system, depending on the hair system you get, if you get an ultra thin skin, they can last about a month or two. If you get something that's more lace based or a really thick system, usually they can last about 6 months. That's on average. Will people notice you're wearing a hair system? No. It's not like the 1940s where you used to wear a flappy toupee. This is 2023, and with the advancements that have come along and the technology, especially people like Lordhair.com who are making these unbelievable systems, no one is even gonna know. No one even knows I'm wearing one. Yes, you can definitely sweat with a hair system, but it all depends on the base that you're wearing on whether the system is right for you. If you are a heavy sweater, lace systems are very breathable. You can wear those, opposed to where if you wear a thin skin and you're a heavy sweater, sometimes the sweat can get a little bit trapped and the system doesn't last as long. But like anything, there's always the right system for you. If you're in the wind, no, your hair system will go nowhere. If you're in the water, if you're in the shower, no, your hair system will go nowhere. If someone has their 2 legs on your shoulders and is pulling your hair from your head, maybe, but your system will put up a good fight. If you freshly applied tape to your head, that baby is going nowhere. If it's been maybe 2, 3, 4 weeks, the glue starts to detach a little bit and it is easier to come off. Not in the wind, not in the shower, but if someone really tugged it, you might be in trouble. Yes, you can swim with a hair system. You can swim, you can shower, you can jump around in the rain and your hair system will not be affected at all. It repels water, it acts really natural, just like anyone's natural hair would. It's actually phenomenal how this whole thing works. You can play any sport, whether you're wearing a helmet, whether you're running up and down fields, whether you're playing football, anything, weightlifting, it does not matter. You can do any of these sports with a hair system on. Hair systems are like a warm hug on your scalp. They are not uncomfortable at all. They're very light. It is because of the technology that we are using now. It's extraordinary. It feels so light, it feels so airy, and you don't even know you're wearing it. But to add to that, when you do first put it on, it does feel a little bit strange because you have something that's completely different on your head. And yeah, like anything, it goes away within like 3 or 4 days. You won't even know you're wearing it. Yes, hair systems are made of human hair, 100% human hair. Some hair systems, however, that have a percentage of grey, not all the grey hair in a system is 100% human hair. It has some sort of synthetic value to it, but on most occasions, the hair is real. The best place to buy a hair system, of course, is Lordhair.com. It is by far the most advanced and I just trust them so much. I've worked with them for a long time. So if you are going to purchase a system, go to lordhair.com. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any more questions, please put them in the comments below and I can make another video. Don't forget to click the link, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Watch all the rest of my videos on Lordhair, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye!